Ke rata ho dumedisa mmui le momamedi lapeng moo dumelang. Re tswela pele ka ditaba tsa rona tsa mehla le mehla jwalo ka ha le tseba. Ditabeng tsena tse re fumanang hore nnete ya ditaba fela he re sotlehile malapeng mona bana ba Modimo, ke meya e re sokodisang, meya ena ya matemona e re kgathaditseng maphelong a rona. Jwalo ka ha le tseba hore ke ile ka bontsha hore re tla ba le moeti ho tswa ka mona ka Queenstown e le mme Phelokazi Bilikwa. Mme Phelokazi Bilikwa o la ba mane podcasting ya Justify. O la kopana le molatedi wa ditaba tsa rona ka mona ka seyalemoyeng sa diphethoho. Mme ba ka ba bua le yena, a mo kgothaletsa le ho mo kopa hore a re etele ka mona ka seyalemoyeng sena sa rona. Mme mme Phelokazi o tlile ho tla arolelana le rona tse ding tsa ditaba tse yena a fetileng ho tsona. Mme re tlo buisana le yena tsatsing lena ho utlwa hore na leeto la hae ebile leeto le jwang, ha ntsa tsamaya o kopane le diphephetso tse jwang, di-challenges leetong la hae. Hoja hee mme Phelokazi e le Moxhosa, jwale le Sesotho re tla se tshwara mane le mane, re tswake le Sexhosa ka mokgwa a ka ikutlwang a lokolohile ho ka bua le rona ka teng. Jwale ke rata hore ke mo amohele mmui lapeng. Mme Phelokazi, dumela ngwaneso.
Dumela ntate, le kae?
Re a phela, re ka utlwa wena.
Nam ndikhona khonto, sibulela ugcinwa emandleni.
Ewe.
Amen.
Awuthi ndikuncede kancinci nje.
Ngemike, okay.
Ngemike lena.
Okay, ingathi ndiyavakala ngoku. Sounds a bit
right.
ngathi ndi-right ngoku.
Uvakashile useGauteng ngoku.
Tata ndivisithile, ndifikile eGauteng.
Umama uPhelokazi xa sesibekisela nje, umama ubuya phi, ukhula njani nje?
Okay, enkosi tata kakhulu. First ke batla dumelisa the viewers Change Radio. Njengoba baba usawutshilo ukuthi mina ndingumXhosa, so ngizozama ukukhuluma ngesiZulu, ngizame ubuwaSetswana hanyani, ngizame ubala ubuwaSotho hanyani, because ake fluent, kuyazama, kyalika fela. So ntate mme Phelokazi utswa ko Eastern Cape ne, mo Queenstown, in a small village nyana abayibetsa ukuri ki Lady Freko Cacado. Mara ke nna mama ka aka askolo kwa sentse ko Pitori, you know, the high school grades. Bengifunda la ePitori, and then ngabe sengibuyela ekhaya, you know, because the challenges then ukuthi mangihambe ngibuyele ekhaya because of bengisenomntwana. And then so uyazi ukuthi mose esikolweni umama wakho ufuneka kade umntwana wakho, and then you can continue when ufunde. So umama wami wagcina umntwana wami. Yes, and then I've always been this motho o rata ho thusa batho, motho o rata ukunceda abantu, like that is me.
All right. Ngoku so shile umntwana ekhaya kwana usetse haye o tswelletse ka sekolo wa be wa qeta sekolo.
Yes, ka be ka qeta sekolo, ka be ka graduate ka diploma in public management.
O no sebetsa ka thata he.
Ebile diploma ya ka ina le di-stars fela, ke motho wa stars. Distinctions.
Mme batho ba o fumana di-distinctions re a tseba rona ha re tla ka lehlakoreng lena la semoya hore ke batho ba tlang ba fupere di-gift tse matla, mme matemona ba shebile ka mahlo a makgubedu ho tswa dinameng. Ha wa ka wa kopana le di-challenges ka mora hore o graduate?
Yeah, what's again ne yazi ubaba ukhuluma iqiniso yazi. Besides the high school challenges ne, I had minor challenges in high school, you know. And then Mara, the most challenges that I was able to face, mangifike college in, yabona lapho, before I graduate, kulapho ngingathola khona ama challenges, you know, whereby I was actually sexually assaulted. You know, it was the year 2005. You know, I was in SRC chairperson, even. So I was a leader koskolong. So I was elected and then I was SRC chairperson. So manje kwenze ukuthi mangifika lapha evile I was like flourishing, ke pasa ka the stars, you know, and batho banje like they didn't like me, like, to be honest, like bengangithandi yazi abantu, like other people know. And I was like bengazi ukuthi mina why, like angisukeli umuntu angenzi umuntu lutho. But I remember at some point in the baba bebengafuna ungena nami classini, but angeke sifune nalo muntu thina ukhumsha kangaka. And I'm like, hey bana, like ngenzeni manje, angenzanga lutho, isono sami ukuthi ngiyakhumsha. But angithi mosiphila la eMzansi and we've got 11 languages in the English ki official language. And in another time I was from Joburg, uyabona ukuthi hawu phela ngisemakhaya manje, kingwana Joburg. Kingwana Pitori akere. So akere was the side ki English fella the side. Ki English fella Joburg and Pitori. So if you've never lived here, you're never gonna understand. Like it's all Tommy ki form of communication, because of you've got all the
languages.
The languages are all here. So mofuna ukhuluma nomuntu, that one is Venda. So the only way to communicate ki English. So you end up getting used to it without you like ufuna, but because of you like it becomes your everyday language, because utsena ko skolong le batho who speak the different language than you do. So yes, so mangifika lapha it was very challenging. It was very challenging. But that did not stop me. Ngafunda still. Got ngapasa, and then that's when I got sexually assaulted. It did not happen at college. Like azange yenzeke esikoleni la bengifunda khona. Mara yenzeke like siphumile nomnganami. It was there was a Miss College labo Miss, so we had visited another school ukuthi sihambe siyobheka show, like, you know, of Miss Freshers. So masifika lapha saw this guy, you know, this guy I know him, but like bengamcabangeli ukuthi angenzi into ebuhlungu kangaka.
Niyazana na?
Ngiyamazi uyangifuna, siyakhuluma, like uyangifuna, akuthiwa stranger, yazi ukuthi mayise stranger, you like it was not a stranger, it is someone that ukuthi bengikhulumisana naye ukuthi uyangifuna, but because of uyangifuna mina ulinde, mina ngila type yakudala ukuthi umfana makalinde phela, awukwazi ungifuna namhlanje and then kusasa uthi kimi I must come see you. Mina ngisasitoko sakudala ukuthi umuntu ongumfana kumela ncenge, kumela shela ncenge. So mina I believe in those imithetho the olden days Malaws, you know, imithetho yakudala. So it became that ukuthi umuntu ke unfortunately angithi mabekhuluma he was on drugs, but ke does not give him the right ukuthi enze lento ayenzile. So ngaye sexually assaulted in my semester, in my second semester, and it was, I was doing like a challenging subject.
Nayo ubese esikoleni.
No, abengekho esikoleni lo muntu bekaphangela, and he wasn't even old. Being umuntu omdala, like someone that age yam, like not my age per se, but umuntu age group, like ukuthi la man lo muntu lona like there's not much difference between us ekhuleni. And then so he did that, and I was with my friend Uzianda Unonowam. So we were together that night, and she witnessed it happening. She was there, and then the guy, I almost lost my life. Lento khuluma ngayo baba ukuthi amadimoni and all those things. Like I almost lost my life because, manje, you see me as this strong woman, but if I can take you back to the scene of that day, ukuthi I almost lost my life. Ukuthi how I fought, ukuthi ngibela, how I fought even on that day. Ukuthi someone will say to me, "How do you do it?" Because like strangling me. Ukuthi I even had amagwebu la amhlophe.
Angafuni ukuthi uscream.
Engafuni ukuthi ngisijime baba ngaphansi kufa. In a sense that it took me like 2 hours ukuthi ngivume because sasisilwa. He will strangle me, angishaye. I was on the floor, but ngafuni.
Manje ifriend yakho ibhekelele.
Ifriend yami angithi naye mose ngumuntu ongumama. Asinamandla lo muntu lo bathi ke bekhuluma he was on drugs. So yamazi umuntu odla ama drugs ukuthi amandla akhe ngakanani. So like amandla nawo like sibayi2 mayishaya omunye ubheka la omunye mayishaya omunye. So literally ushaye soyi2 naye wamshaya at some point, and naye like she was scared, and and I don't blame her because naye bengazi ukuthi kwenzakalani yebo, because she was also scared as me. So but yes, that guy wangilanda initially ngavuma after 2 hours of fighting. Ngase ngikhathele kukulwa because like ebekangistrangilisha manje ngathi ngizokufa. At some point I had the white saliva, amathela amhlophe aphumela ngaphandle ngathi what, ngiyavuma baba ungayenza, and then wayenza ke with the gun held right beside me, and then in the morning he took me home. Yes.
Wambophisa.
Azange ambophisa baba because yazini. Azange ambophisa because the muntu lona kibo banemali first of all. Mangizama ukumbophisa ngicabanga ukuthi lo muntu lebekana gun, right? It's fear. Ngengothuka ukuthi angithi mos ungidlengule ngegun. So if I go to and report umuntu onemali, ubhuti wakho onemali, lo muntu onegani, and the justice system of South Africa has always been unfair, ayiqale manje, ayiqale manje into sibona ukuthi ama cases akahambeli phambili. Even it's always been like this. It's just that people like were not open enough about this thing rape. Some people even committed suicide because of being raped. So nami angingathi ukuthi ngomunye wesifazane balapha eNingizimu Afrika owaye wasaba ukuyoreporta because of siyazi justice system yethu ukuthi vele ayincedisani in terms of GBVF, and ngisaba ukuthi lo muntu unemali siyazi ukuthi ama docket those things ziyenzeka, and siyazi ukuthi ngingazikhulumela ngithi mina ngesaba ngicabanga ukuthi uzothenga idocket, unemali, unegun, une-influence lo muntu.
Manje so wasomlilo awuna backup wena sekuzoba
angina backup nguye uyaziwa, unemali, une-influence, ngiyabona. So ubhuti wakho une-influence ngama-millionaires, mina ngiyini, lo muntu unegun, uyabona lonto leyo. So what if mina mangizama ke manje ukuyoreporta lo muntu ubuye angibulale, we've seen cases whereby a victim yoreporta, the next thing kuthiwa uswelekile, bamthola ukuthi ushonile. So I was scared ukuthi but if uzangibulala manje for real.
Empahela fela kae ka taba ya lona?
Mina baba ngaye ngahlala, I was doing my second semester in public management, and I was writing, a public law in 2 weeks to come. So into mina engayenza yazi uNkulunkulu wangifikela kwesikhathi esinzima kakhulu. Even today mangizama ukuexplain kwabanye abantu abakhona ukurelate okanye abakhona ukubelieve. Mina baba uNkulunkulu wangifikela wathi kimphelo ngicela ukuthi right now uthathe iphepha lakho ubhale ukuthi kwenzekeleni ne. My mother is there and mama ngiyamsaba ngithi umtshela uthi uzothi busiyaphi ngikutshelile ukuthi sokuphuma yakala ukuphuza phela kazi my mother is here. So how do I tell my mother?
Oh, wena uboshaya vele.
Yes, well, like besiphuzile. Yes, besiphuzile. So ngicela ukuthi my mother. And I wasn't even drunk. Like I'm being phuzile, but I still remember the details because I'm not a heavy drinker. It was just that ukuthi like besiphumile nabangani, those things about SRCS esikolweni. And then I'm like, when I get on, my mother is there. How do I tell my mother? Ukuthi I've been raped. uNkulunkulu said to me, take a paper and a pen. Ngathatha iphepha and a pen. From there ngabhala ukuthi kwenzekeleni. The negativity. Ngabhala the positivity. That was ngithenzeke over the weekend. And then on Monday, mina ngahamba ngaya clinic. Ngiyothola morning after pills. Ngayotesta. Ngathola ukuthi I'm HIV negative. Ngathola morning after pills. I was not scarred, yabo. So mangifika endlini ngithi, God, I was raped. That's a negativity. Without my consent, I felt worthless. Mara, the biggest part on my advantages was that you're alive. It kept on ringing to me what could have been worse. And then mina into ngisizile was being grateful in that difficult moment. I was grateful to God ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungisizile. Because if you remember, there was a gun. Lo muntu bekangistranglish. And then now I'm home. I don't have, I'm not HIV positive. I'm not pregnant. I don't have any STDs. So manje, for me, was to just say, uNkulunkulu ngiyabonga, The only thing that kept on saying into my mind, it could have been worse, It could have been worse. Ngathi manje, and let me be grateful ukuthi nginikezwe a second chance ukuthi mangiphile emhlabeni. So into engisizile mina ku understand uNkulunkulu ukuthi was remaining positive and optimistic in that situation, and ngicabanga ukuthi what do I want to be? I want to be a graduate. I shifted from that. Ngafocus kuphi esikoleni. I did not take it upon me. Ngiyafocus esikolweni. Ngaqeda ngafunda ngaqeda. Kept on crying, of course. It's a roller coaster. It's trauma, it gets traumatic sometimes, especially if you have not dealt with it. It gets traumatic. You begin to resent man. Some people, like one of me, like you want to be around people, want to numb the pain, ngicabanga ukuthi what, at least ngumntana esikolo, I've got friends on weekends, we're gonna go out, have fun, no one is gonna know about it, trying to numb the pain. And when I get home, I'll pray about it. God, I'm hurting, I told God, I
but ke i-counseling wayithola ngaleso sikhathi.
uNkulunkulu mina, God was my counselor. I forgot that verse. He's a counselor. He's an intercessor, and he's everything. So uNkulunkulu for me at that moment was a counselor. I never went for counseling. I strong. I never went. Angazi ukuthi mina umnyango counseling uthi njani ukuphi na. I never went for counseling. uNkulunkulu said to me ukuthi uba manje there was no doctors. There was no police. There was nothing in the world. What were you going to do?
Kodwa wawuso usindisiwe wena ngaleso sikhathi.
Yazi ukuthi baba ngangasindiswanga that time. Mina, I grew up in a praying family, in a praying environment. And I've always been this prayer person. Mina ngithanda nje umntwana ukuthi Father God, I thank you, blah blah. You know, ngithanda nje mina ngihambe ngezikoleni. You know, I knew that God is there, but I was not deep in salvation. Mina benga understand lutho, but bengisenza izinto mina engizokuthi this my heart. I think uNkulunkulu speaks with us in many ways. I mean, I will listen to my gut feeling. It's a manji gut feeling yama so, and I will do it like that. I remember at some point after I was like, man, I'm getting pose me now. And gets moshe because of rape. I went to him, ngamlanda. That's when rape. We were in Queenstown. That's when rape. I'm sorry not to know you don't owe me an apology. In fact, I forgive you.
Umhlola njalo Satan.
Ngathi in fact I forgive you. And baba mangihamba kuye kwaba into ethi ngathi you know engathi ngiyakhululwa engathi ubona umuntu engathi bengibothelelwe, and then I walked away with so much confidence. And then ngathi show wahamba and he was left there. And as a result, manje makangibona lo muntu nguyena ebebheka phansi. Mina bengithi hi, even if ukude, hello. At so ecaleni. And I didn't understand. I was just allowing God to I'm moving inside of me, you know, to use me. Manje I understand what was meant to happen to me. God turned it around because it is him that ended up being a drunkard, ended up being a drug abuser, ended up in a rehab, ended up losing all that he had worked for. Walahlekelwa konke. Imali ebenayo, imisebenzi ebenayo, everything yakhe. And I was like, why? And then manje mase understand years later. Ukuthi, you know what? What was meant, lento bekufanele kube yenzeke kuwe. Because of you allowed God ukuthi akulwele. So manje uNkulunkulu seyiphendukile wayibusela kubani to the sender. Yes, as much as the very painful thing is that the sender is just a vessel of Satan. So if he had repented, you know, uNkulunkulu angamsindisa. Because when you allow God to use you, uNkulunkulu yakusindisa. And then when umuntu wenze into wrong, if you don't repent, now it falls upon you. Iwela kuwe. So that's when I got to understand, oh, okay. uNkulunkulu mase ebesho lokho ukuthi mase mangixolele mangitrust yena.
All right. Jale re a feta karolong eno ya hore o la betwa kwena wena wa qala jwale o lo sebetsa jwale. Ho etsahalang ha o kena leetong la hao la tshebetso?
Ke ngitshebetso.
Umsebenzi so yosebenza manje uma usogqibe imfundo zakho.
I can then ndakwenza i-internship. I went to do an internship go education, and yes, ngafika ngasebenza kwakuhle. That was 2018. Ngasebenza kwakuhle. 2019 actually COVID. Actually COVID as I was about to ukuthi ngisaqhubeka kana internship yami. Yafika phela wafika umoya we-COVID wasivizithela la elizweni lonke liphela. But manje sekune COVID-19, so manje everyone must be staying at home. Ngiyabona hayi kwaqala ama lockdown, kwaqala kwashola ukuthi kunama lockdown manje things, you know, kwaphenduka izinto, you know, the life that we knew to know. And then I was laid off work. We had to work from home. But ngathola umsebenzi still I was a CLO. You know, in a project.
Umsebenzi kwamasipala or
phela ama CLO is ama community projects, right? So I apply ngathola kwamasipala in a community project. Lapha bebesenza khona something indlela, so amanzi, I mean we're doing water.
Oh, niku water works.
Yes, sisifaka amanzi lapha ukuthi abantu baphuze.
Uyafika uSathane lapho.
Eish.
Wakuvakashela.
Wangivakashela uSathane during COVID-19. Afika uSathane wakokota. Wathi I am here. Wathi I am here.
manje nangu usathane uyafika ufika kanjani uapproacha kanjani
Yo, yazi usathane ufika ngendlela eziningi and ngendlela ezahlukile. Kuyimi usathana ufike ehamba ngenyawo ezimbini engumuntu wesilisa. I'm sorry, not every man is like that. So mayefika kimi usathana, you know, it was during a COVID-19. Ngingumntwana njena mina obuye esikolweni, you know, from Joburg, ngahlala emakhaya. Angazi, you know, I've never really understood witchcraft. You know, like mina angazi witchcraft. Baba mina ngangazi witchcraft. Ngisifikela ngithi ngibe Joburg.
How tsebe boloyi we
Ake ngibuloyi na ke tsebe buloyi na ake re mos na ake muloyi so ke tseba jwang into exciting like how do I know into engayenzi so mina angazi buloyi ngazi ukuthi kunale buloyi ngithi ay it's fine
o tla bona teng
ke tla bona teng ake re mos bare I tell myself ukuthi no phela mina I'm not a witch so into zabuloyi ki
into tsaba ngikhono kwana na hayi
into yomuntu mina anginayo lanto yobuloyi so angiyazi phela so angikhona ukukhuluma ngento engayazi mina I don't do that angikhuluma into engayaziyo
kiyena wafika he
yo yanshapa buloyi bare bakokoda bare koko had to open the door
ho etsahalang
yeah
ha diqala ditaba tse
even today ebengikutshela ukuthi ngise in disbelief even today I feel like sometimes I'm crazy ngithi man uNkulunkulu wami ngiyahlanya like like I will clap hands on my like you know like angiyazi like I do not know buloyi so now buyangifikela ngisengumntwana ngithi bufika ngingena mama ngingena baba you know
uma wakho washo
mama ushonile mama ushone 2021 makuqala iCovid 2021 4th January just in the midst of the COVID-19 hey bana my mother is gone my father is gone kina fela mo lefatseng my sisters are in Joburg kina fela mos no qaqala no ubale ditoro tsemangazang like ngiyacala manje ukubona izinto engazange ngazibona ngamehlo ami okomoya
lamaphupho uhlangana nawo sekufike le ndoda
baba ifikile angithi lo muntu lona wafika as if umuntu like unemali yes unemali mina ufike mina unemali mina manje you know ngisengicedile like bona angithi masikuvaliwe emsebenzini manje mina was an intern so afika lo muntu kimi yo provider you know
uyakushela naye
ayisho uyangishela ngacabanga ukuthi oh my god angithi bathi uNkulunkulu akaphengasana ngathi God thank you mina bengicabanga ukuthi vele kubuya kuNkulunkulu you know because I'm like ish you know I'm unemployed and all those things manje kusekungena ama COVID-19 so lo muntu mangibuza ukuthi are you married like no I'm not married nginale fiance feeling like no man ekithi umuntu lo akachadanga so it's not going to be much of an issue you know if fiance fela you know well sa data we dated as we were dating I discovered that he's married but mangibona ukuthi uchatile I was already deep within the relationship so ngacabanga ukuthi eish angeke ngifuna ukuphuma mina manje angithi sekumnandi everything is it's there uyaprovide lo muntu and remember angina baba you know angina mama so manje ngingumuntu nje vulnerable you know so wafika uba ubhuti wakhona wa provide and I was like mina ngicabanga ukuthi buya uNkulunkulu yes
manje yini laba seniyachubeka nobabili ubona njani ukuthi lo muntu ingabe lamaphupho osonawo abuya ngaye?
Ekuhambeni kwesikhathi ufikile kimi, right baba? Well, sathandana. And then wabe senginikeza umsebenzi, right? After enginikeze umsebenzi wangirentela, you know, indawo yokuhlala la eDrobheni. Mase ngirentela indawo yokuhlala eDrobheni. You know, umoya wami yakhuluma ukuthi kunento off. Umoya wami umana ukuthi unento off, mara ngicabanga ukuthi I've never been in this life of provision. I've never been, you know, I've never dated, you know, someone so powerful. Yebo. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi anginenhlanhla. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi anginelakhi phela, you know. Until ngamuvela in this other flat, it was October. Mangmove from one flat to another flat, right? So athi kimi lo muntu masifika lapha ya, okay, this is where you're gonna stay, blah blah blah. It's mean, okay, fine. And you know, I've always been someone of my own mind. Mina ngithanda ukukhuluma ungibonile, and ngathanda ukuxoxa izinto ezi important, izinto ezi positive and ezingasile, ezingabhekanga ecaleni. Mara ngithe mangikhuluma nalo muntu ngibona ukuthi kune controlling element la anayo, ufuna ngathi ufuna ownership manje kumele ngisubmit, and mina lo muntu lona akaspend isikhathi nami, unikeza nje imali ahambe. And I'm like, kanti why afike nginikeza ama 10,000 rand ebese yahamba? Moya wami uyakhuluma ngithi angazi lutho, mathi and then I will constantly tell him ukuthi, why do you come unikeza imali ubese uyahamba? Yayizwa ne? Why ufika unginikeza imali ubese uyahamba, you know? Kanti why ungaspend isikhathi nami? Because nami ngumuntu ngumntwana ngifuna ukufunda and nami nginamaphupho. Kanti why like ungilahlela ngemali kuphela? Kanti yini, you know? Athi no, mina ngibusy, you know, I've got work, you know, ngikhokhele, I'm leadership, I'm all those things. So you're like, I'm like, okay. Believe until ngibona ukuthi man, this thing is becoming consistent. Lo muntu doesn't spend time with me. Uletha nje imali kuphela. You don't spend time with me. Uletha nje imali kuphela. You don't see me. You don't care about what I think. Awunandaba ukuthi ngicabanga ngini. Awunandaba ukuthi nginamaphupho mani. Awunandaba ukuthi umqondo wami ucabanga kanjani, because nami ngikutshela ukuthi nginamaphupho and ngifuna uba so mara awunandaba ukuthi ngikutshela lezi zinto ezibalekile about me, like I'm trying to sell myself to you ukuthi ubone the other side of me, you know, to see ukuthi nami ngiyakhona ukucabanga, but you don't see those things with him, man. Mara imali yona iyangena. Ethi hayi.
Uyazibuza ukuthi le mali ibuyaphi ke?
Imali angithi mos lo muntu he's in power. So imali yona vele it is there, but why le mali lena ishiwa? Like why give me money and then you go? Like why uzonginikeza imali and then besohamba? Why ungaspend isikhathi nami? Why kanti
njengomuntu othandana naye?
Yes, like why ngathi uyangithenga? I felt like I was being bought. I felt like I was being bought, you know. Uthi ngathi uyangithenga nje lo muntu. Because I can spend isikhathi nami. He doesn't care about what I think. He doesn't care about my goals. He doesn't care about my ambitions. He doesn't care about whether I'm okay emotionally, physically, and mentally. He doesn't care. You know, he'll just come by whenever he wants to come by, and then that was it.
Manje kuqala nini lesigemegeme manje zemimoya?
One day, I remember November 11, 2020. Also, I still remember the date. It happened 11 November 2020 when he came into my house. Mayafika lapha kwami, uyafika. For the first time, mina naye mos angithi besisebenza iJust Lamkhwenyana. So mayafika la, akafuna iJust Lamkhwenyana. I'm thinking, why? All of a sudden, lo muntu akafuni just lamkhwenyane engafuni just lamkhwenyane njena is fine kwenzekile you know, and then zangaphinda buye
since
And-
from
mayehamba ngazi ukuthi it's over.
wena i-sixth sense yakho ikutshela
Yes.
njalo ukuthi hayi uhambile
Uhambile angithi ngithe on the 9th of November, on the 11th ngiyamwathaphela manje seneyitori. I don't remember quite well what he said, but ngabona through pictures ukuthi indawo bekuyo, ngabona ukuthi man something is not sensing here ne. Ngabona ilanguage yakhe, yabona ngathi no, it's over. On the 11th of November 2020, I still remember. Ngathi it's over. I knew right that moment ephuma la endlini ukuthi it's over. But one thing I did not know ukuthi ushiyeni. I did not understand ukuthi yini umoya. Bengazi ukuthi mina ngumuntu omoya. Bengazi ukuthi mina ngine gift. But ngibuza ukuthi mina ngizobona nje into ethile. Yabo? Mina ngibona nje into. And then it's okay. Engenzeke nje. Ngabe nandaba. It's okay. I knew ukuthi siyohlukana. Okay. And then after that, it was 2020, right? And then it was the time that my mother was sick. Ngithi ngisema mama ushone 2021. 2020, fine. I was like, you know what? Phelo hamba buyele ekhaya. Go live with your mother, you know. Because my mother was sick at that time, you know, and then I'm going to ish. And I don't want to be around this place, you know, and I don't want to be there. My heart just said go home. And then I took my furniture and then I'm going to go back to my own place, to back home. No, it could something very important. Before I figure, sorry, Baba. Sorry, viewers. Before I figure line in October, ulethe abang i-cousins zakhe
endlini la kuhlala wena.
Yes, athi kimi ngicela ukuthi in October my cousins are coming for a course for 2 weeks. Ngicela ukuthi uba accommodate mina how une mansion engaka anama room awu-20. You even have got garages outside with rooms. Why ufuna bahlalela kimi? Athi no, the issue is my wife speaks too much, you know. And then if it is the issue of money, I'll pay you. Ngithi no, it's not about the money. Lenda ngihlala kuyo, it's my private place, you know. Ibed yami le uthi mayilala abanye abantu, yangizwa ne? Yindawo yami le uthi your cousin must come and live here. Because mina angithanda ukuvakasha. Azange nje ngavakasha. I don't like visiting. And angithanda ukulala kwibed yomunye umuntu engazi from back in the days. You know, mangibuya baba, kune t-shirt yami of a certain political party engangayijoina ilahlekile. Mangibuya i-underwear ngaphansi ayisekho.
Wabavumela abokhazini.
Ngabavumela bahlale.
Manje sekunyamela le t-shirt yale political party yakho nephenti iyanyamela.
Iyanyamela. I wish I had kept the charts. Manje bengibabuzile buzokubona. My mind kept on asking, guys, i-underwear yami esona so ikuphi?
Labo cousin amantombazane
Abafana. Yes.
Baya iphedi bayimukisaphi.
Angithi mos lo muntu lo mina mangihambile beka siyovakasha. Mara ngoku mina bengikhona ike ngavakasha. Uyayizwa manje. So mina mangibheke ekhaya for the 2 weeks.
Kusala bo
cousin.
Uthola
chance.
Azwenza
i-t-shirt a black enama color thile of that certain one.
Yena ukuyiphi political party ngokwazi kwakho? Is the same political party?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Beka ngikhokhele. Yes. It's the same that party that I was in. Beka ngikhokhele. So manje, yes, that is where everything began. that is the beginning of the nightmare. The missing underwear, the missing t-shirt. And that is where a nightmare that still haunts me even today began.
So wena uzobona na usobuya.
Masengibuye ukuthi man guys kune underwear yami esona so ikuphi? Where is my t-shirt? Ngacabanga ukuthi konje we go everywhere. It could be that ngishiye emotweni yomnganami, because masehambayo secampaign and having programs, in that party. Bese baningi angithi ngicabanga ukuthi maybe umnganami. Ntombi. And then I text my friend, "Hi Ntombi, please check if akuna t-shirt yami lapho emotweni yakho." I share a thing. And I don't know. I think I had to take out my clothes. Like I've got like a
empa he ho a tshwana hobane t-shirt o ka nna isia mo o isileng teng phenti ha ona hore o ka isia.
Mara no, I can see into yaka. Ka itseba about into yaka. If I think kontlong ke bona first hand, it's even ntona. I've got so many clothes and shoes. Mara ke tseba t-shirt yaka white. It was here. Iko guy. And the person na eketsamayilena go that party ke one fella. And then it's if I think aketsamay, and there is no way ke ka message a painting. Le t-shirt during their stay. And then he comes in November. Angafuni ichasomkhwenyana. And then aphinda anglahle and never comes back. What did it come to plant? Now it's the question. Maso ingqondo manje phaphama. Utrace back angithi uyatrace back manje ukuthi kwenzeke lokho. Before lama phapha besaqala. This is what happened. Ingaba lo muntu uhambile wayokwenza isibambelelo sepaint yami. Ubakwenza isicupho. And then was sacrifice ngami. That was now the issue.
Aqala amaphupho.
Emva kwaloko fine ngabuyela ekhaya umamami wahamba ke washona. Ngicabanga ukuthi no, it's fine. I think I had a dream ukuthi your mother is gonna die, ehambe ekhaya to stop her from going to that place. Uzochona. And then I told my mother not to go to this other family place. And then Mara washona, it's fine, that's not the case. Mangifike ekhaya, I buried my mother. Ngahlala ekhaya. I don't even remember him saying condolences to your mother. Ngamtshela ukuthi mama muswelekile. He never even said condolences to you and your family. Nothing.
Anophila naye lo.
Lo muntu lona ngithi manje bengiphila naye. Yes.
Yaba kuphelile.
Baba kuphelile.
Manje sokuhamba kwenzakalani nawo amaphupho ayeza manje.
Aqala amaphupho ke manje.
Uphuphani?
Lo muntu ngiyamphupha ngathi yabuya.
Uphupha yena manje.
Angithi manje umama ngimperile and then ngabuza ukuthi I was still dating or not. Athi no, we're not gonna date, blah 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 blah. Back to that 6th sense of November 11. It's over. Ngazile ukuthi it's over too. We had 2 months before. Ibe over. And then finally he said to me, no man, we're two different people. Askonu qhubekeka blah 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 blah. A story that he said. And then athi mina show emva koko ngaqala umphupha ke manje.
So yeza emaphusheni.
Seyeza emaphusheni ke manje.
Ufunani?
Hey baba lo muntu angimazi ngimphupha emaphupheni ingathi uyabuya uyancenga, don't leave me, I love you. Hey January, don't leave me, I love you. Hey namqomba umuntu uyabuya phela. Phela manje I'm in love. Phofu I wasn't in love, I was obsessed.
But now you are in love ngamaphupho manje.
Phela mamela. Lo muntu angithi manje ngiyamphupha. Ngicabanga ukuthi how since manje sengiphuphe into zenzeke, which means even this one ngiphuphayo izokwenzeka.
Oh. Kanti ulahlekile.
Kanti some manipulation. Yazi ukuthi people, if you did not know, bantu i-manipulation yakomoya ikhona. I-manipulation yabuloyi.
Kuyarola la.
Mangisithi manje later on, years later, damn it, I was under a spell.
Udiscoverisha njani ukuthi now you are under the spell?
Baba ngicontinuisha ngimphupha. Ngiyamphupha. Yo. Ngiyamphupha. If I want to move on, ngiyamphupha. If I'm going left, ngiyamphupha. If I'm going right, ngiyamphupha. Manje ngiyamphupha, and I was becoming so obsessed ngithi
Ukubambile. Awukhona ukumove on. And akekho lo muntu lo.
Mangikhuluma naye ingathi uba nice nyana ngiqomba. We gotta get back together. We're not gonna get back together. It's not happening. Mina qala ngiphansi kwesibambelelo.
But manje kulama job wakho asavela ama job.
Phela ngithi that time ngingu-CLO mina. Ngisaqhubeka ngiyasebenza. Phela ama project they take about 3 years. So la ngisaqhubeka ngiyasebenza ngithi hey.
Ene kodwa akekho yena.
Akekho duzane nami. Akekho duzane nami, and remember wangisiza ukuthi ngithole la msebenzi ngithi ngikutshelile. So manje hey, I'm dreaming about this guy every day. Mangivala amehlo ngiyamphupha. The next thing manje ngicala ukuba nama sexual dreams.
Ile yaphenti yenyamela.
And then nginama sexual dreams ukuthi why manje I've never had sexual dreams in my entire life of existence. Ngithi hemana manje why ngizophupha amaphupha so snacks, you know? And then angathi let me pray.
Buya le yanto.
Ngathandaza. Ngathandaza baba. Ngathandaza. I did mountain prayers ngathandaza.
But you don't share nabangane or
kunomngane wami ebengimsharela. Naye umngane wami athi ubona the same thing.
Uyajumpa manje lo muntu ujampela kumngane wakho.
Mina I believe that kunento ebahlanganisa. Mara she was never honest.
Okay.
Ngayibona, ngasuspect. Engizwane ukuthi uzenze close naye so that azokhona uba ne access to me. Kube nomuntu ozamtshela about my life.
Ukuthi now
yes, because I suspect ukuthi they were talking about me. I suspect ukuthi spy. Remember, we are in politics. Everything is dirty. It's power, it's money, it's possessions. Maskhuluma sithi there are no friends there. Ngibonile ukuthi akunabangani.
Abangani abe.
Mina
ulele nomngani wakho.
Mina ngicabanga ukuthi umngani wami. I don't know if balele or ukuthi kwenzekeleni.
No, as much as abonisa ukuthi uyamphupha naye, i-connection ayikwazi ukungaba khona ingayenziwanga.
Exactly. Or uyamphupha ngithi why amphupha so? And then the next thing nginamaphupha ababoyi2 ingathi bahlangene ngami. Ingathi mina ngisesayidini ingathi bahlangene ngami. Engacomba this girl. Okay, I don't fight dirty. Let me watch her and observe her. Ngavele ngamiyekela nje kanjalo ngathi this one is not the battle I want right now. The battle is the itimina ngilanda lowa. This one was another one uzasibona because I mean I was genuine to her. uNkulunkulu wakho uzambona ngokwakhe because of angeke mina ngilwe nomuntu wesifazane because of indoda. If bayenzile is fine. Ayizwane. Mara if ukuthi bebemthengile to search information or to pass information game, then that is also fine. Mina the target was him. Anandaba naye lo.
Kodwa ke uma isikhathi sihamba kwenzeka ukuthi nihlangane face to face.
Hi baba mina I began to pray. Ngathandaza ngajula emthandazweni. You know ngajula emthandazweni. Amaphupha wapheli. I remember in April, you know, ngisathandaza njalo from January ngithi manje ngiyamphupha uyabuya. I became so obsessed. Abantu abangaziyo would tell you ukuthi yo, I would say no, he's coming back. Ngiphuphe A B C D F G H I J K. Now I was like, man, obsession man le. Ukuthi wenzakalani nami understand my life began to revolve around him. I began wanting to help him, to pray for him as well. Manje angisambonisa ukuthi yena uyabuya yedwa. Manje I'm already getting myself into a spiritual warfare for him.
Ulwela yena
manje sengibona izinto manje angizwa ne zakhe manje sengicala ngiyamjulukela ukuthi
ubonani wena.
Well, izinto zakhe ke, it was his things, his secret things. Ukuthi he's under a spiritual attack as well. Ngicabanga ukuthi no ngingakhona umsiza because of manje sengibona ukuthi ngine-gift. Sengibona ukuthi ngine-gift manje why manje sengibona ukuthi ngine-gift ngiyathandaza mangithandaza amaphupha ami athandaza, pray for this one. Pray for this one.
But wena lamaphupho athi pray for this one ucabangani ngawo?
Cabanga phela mina angithi mina angazi ukuthi kune manipulation. Mina ngicabanga uNkulunkulu.
Uthi uyibambile,
Hayi mina phela ngicabanga uNkulunkulu ngithi uNkulunkulu phela people are sent by God. Angazanga ukuthi mina uSathane yakwazi uyakhona ukukuthumela umuntu in your life. So amaphupha ami it was always me losing things. It's either sexual dreams or me losing something in my dreams. I remember this other time, there was this handsome guy, Owingfuna, not married. I'm finally, manje sengifuna move on. So manje masifleta nalofana, you cheat, blah, blah, blah. Ngaba nephupho, elithi, yo, anisafleta no ban you and this guy.
Kuvela loya muntu.
God is my witness. Kuvela leyo.
Bakubhekile esibukweni ukuthi ama moves yahamba kanjani.
Yeah. Ayazi ukuthi family I mean abengazi lutho ngama family spirit.
Yeah, no.
Abengazi lutho mina ngama family spirits until I was in that situation.
They monitor everything.
They monitor you, and then I was told that he had tracked me. That's when in my dreams, the dream said you have a tracker. A voice, Papa, understand the lutang it. My mother is not there. I'm not tracker mosmina. My phone is fine. I'm a papa I'm constantly dreaming about him, and other people as well, that are in that political party.
But in your meter naye ma campaign.
Yeah, I guess I meet manje as we meet as we meet manje we are enemies now because mina manje sengiwelile ngihamba nabanye abantu mina ngisahambi naye. I my spirit was just began to descend. I became to withdraw from him, and I joined I joined other people because I'd formed friends who assisted me. Would say, focus on your political career. So, I began to have dreams. Ukuthi manje unetracker. I didn't believe it. The muntu lo knows everything about me. Mangilala ngiyamphupha uyangitshela indaba zami. Hayibo. Ngathi hayi baba yikho lento le. Mangilala nje ngiyambona ungitshela exactly what I did. I remember ngi-applyele for a post from this other guy that I know, who umuntu wakhona, he was from that time cooking. So I'm like, I'm looking for a job. I told him, no, I can help you apply. In the dream, that familiar spirit comes. Lo muntu uyafika kimi ne. Athi kimi, you applied for a post. Mina ngimtshela everything. Yes, someone who and who and who and who is going to help me.
At the next.
Lamundula stopped helping me right away. Our connection just became short. Akasayingeni like he immediately lost interest in helping me. We're not even dating.
But manje lezi zinto ziyaqhubeka siku 2025 manje.
Baba, what opened my eyes, you know, mabathi uNkulunkulu uyasebenza. What opened my eyes was prayer. I was praying ngijulile this other day ngihlele roomini. Mangi edokuthandaza, I went to go get water in the kitchen. Mangisela amanzi, a picture of him. Mangiphuza amanzi, ngibona isithombe sakhe in a vision. Uphethe picture yami. He's in a sangoma. Picture yami. From January until August, azange consult me. I was praying. Until that day. Ngithi what? Why ngimbona lo muntu ephethe picture yami? On esasangomeni. Remember manje, social media at that time had a lot of information about izibambelelo, iqupho. So manje sengiyafunda mos nami ukuthi
ithwalo yonke lenyaka.
Manje ngiyafunda ukuthi umuntu makucuphile ubona kanjani. Ngithi hayi man la babhekisa ama symptoms ngithi hayi mina la hayi labo la so manje sengicala ngiyafuna ukuthi man why ngiphupha ngomuntu oko such dreams. You know, and Facebook will give you different interpretation of dreams. And manje sengibhala phansi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Until that day God revealed to me a picture yalo muntu ekwisangoma with my picture on it. Manje kulapho ke manje ngicalile ngahamba ngo-consulta. I remember I went to consult, and then after consulting
consulta kuphi yesangomeni nawo.
Phela manje ngithi manje sengiyasaba.
Oh.
Phela manje I'm so scared. Phela manje it's not a matter of me like I'm confused. Manje ngiconfused. Why ngiphupha umuntu othile uyabuya uyangithanda kwenzakalani?
Awusonto wena ngaleso sikhathi.
Ngiya nje esontweni kuphela.
Isonto obulihamba eliphi?
I was going to a Christian church. In Sindiso.
Oh, manje lapho upastor you don't share.
I don't share. Angithi manje it's 2021. Phela uCovid uFacebook manje unama information amazangoma bathwasa abantu baningi cabanga ukuthi it's the generation of healers. Remember it's always said ukuthi manje kuzothwasa abantu abaningi like bazosiza abantu. Like nama ngithi manje ngibona amagqirha, and remember I'm a black person. Ngingumuntu omnyama and sikhulu ukuthi sikhulele enkololweni ukuthi uNkulunkulu usizomsizayo. Manje ngomba man it's everyone there's a hype of sangoma. There's a hype of sangoma.
Mabo songena kulo omkhakha nawo.
Angithi was a hype of sangoma. Yeah, it's hype of sangoma. Kune hype of sangoma.
Udibana nabo bani apho?
Kune hype of sangoma in South Africa 2021. Facebook was buzzing. Sangoma helps and siksiza kanjani na. Ufiyakumbula baba. Everything became accessible on Facebook. Use sugar and cinnamon, gezani, salt and all those things. Hey, I need cleansing.
Abantu bathi ama concussion azawubanceda kanti manje ba initiate.
Baba, phela manje angithi wena ufuna nje usizo. I was looking for help. I was becoming desperate, and social media made it easy for me to fall into the initiation. Because I went to get consults. Mara manje consult yazi ukuthi bafike bathi ngicala. Bathi iphi underwear yakho.
Now consult. Akuhambisa lapha manje ukholwe ukuthi hayi manje ufike to the right one.
Phela remember mina I knew ukuthi underwear yami lahlekile angithi. Mina I'm looking for answers. Yebo. So as I am looking for answers, phela mangifika lapha ya bakunikeza answer that I was looking for.
Nalento efunayo.
Phela angithi remember my underwear is missing. I have no reason to doubt. So ngicabanga ukuthi it's true. Uyena vele he stole my underwear. So manje as you go into deeper of the consultation, uthi manje unedlozi.
Bafuna wena. Sebefuna wena manje.
Wathi unedlozi unobango lapha phansi. Even if you remember, the famous Skhwetheni Lena, ufihlile ka 2021, 2020, during that time, that hype yabo.
Ufihlile ka nako.
Ufihlile that nako, and I remember. Chase Skhwetheni, and kabang what's how. And she was so convincing, if you remember, talking about how white people don't want us, to go and practice rituals way to so everyone took it up, and then we black people, we want to go back to our forefathers' roots, blah blah. Kanti asazange ukuthi today utaknadlozi nami ngitaknadlozi.
Yeah, no, nebuye ekudeni.
Sibuye ekudeni, kanti all along, mangicala ukujola nalomuntu. The only thing that was happening there, I was initiated to become a dlozi.
Wakufakela amadlozi.
Bebengifakela amadlozi. Uwafakile, remember. Mangifika lapha yakuthona amadlozi manje. Angithi the modern world, the modern kingdom, it's one operation.
It's one operation.
It's one operation. They know ukuthi simfuna la kusasa. Bayazi ukuthi kusasa.
Leyo gift yakho bay redirect ukuthi sifuna isebenze kuwe.
Exactly. Bayazi ukuthi in the morning tomorrow simfuna lapha ya. Kwagogo yangithanda. Whatever. She must be there. They will redirect you. You will wake up in the morning and say, I'm going kwa baba. It's where they want me. Abantu basekhaya bathi mangela phaya. Mawufika lapha, you're going to be told what they want you to do. It's not what God wants you to do. Hey, namangula maphansi.
Kodwa sawuvumi.
Angivumanga lutho. Mina ngivumanga lutho.
Usayicabanga lena.
Mina lana ngiyababona bangitshela ngabaphansi, mina nginenkinga ukuthi ngiphupha indoda. Ngiyabazi ukuthi bakhuluma ngabaphansi. Ukuthi mina nginobanga labaphansi umamami nobabami ezange bashade. Why abantu bakulo mamami bengibanga so? And it's always the case. To every sangoma you go to, bakutshela into eyi-one ukuthi awumama khona babakho abashada ngetime. Mina, my mother is a married woman from at the age of 18. She died a married woman, and mina angumntana womntombi, ngumntwana womfazi. I am born into a marriage, and until my baba masweleka mina, we are all born into marriage, all of us at home. Akunamuntu angaphandle, akunamuntana wentombi.
Manje nikhuluma ngani?
Hey, so ke manje bacala ukuthi manje kumele ukuthi ngiyothwasa. This guy manje. So now, as I discover that I have this calling, yabantu baphansi, this guy is still there. I have not stopped dreaming about him. So masengikhuluma ngiyamphupha. I see him often. As I see him often, now manje igift
drifter manje.
Yeah, I believe it's true. Phela manje mangiphupha yena akuzi umuntu ogcoke like manje it became a matter in a sense ukuthi I remember this specific one. Ngimphupha kunengane ehleli. Kunomuntu ongifunayo. Athi sumvuma ubaba umkodo. Lo muntu uyabuya. Intombazane encane.
Itshela wena.
Itshela mina in my dreams. Intombazane encane. Egcoke i-traditional into zobungaka.
Zobungoma.
Yes, zobungoma. So now it became bebefuna ukungiconvince ukuthi indeed
uyabuya
lo muntu phela. Remember now as I began to go consulting, ngimbona lo muntu manje ngigcoke kunabantu semanje sebevela begcoke impahla zobungoma, dreams I've never had before. Even at some point ngimphupha esekhaya in my home engathi unginikeza ibhotile yani yebrand. Now this gets interesting.
Ibrand manje ukuthi wenze njani?
Angithi manje ungisemadlozini. ngigcoke mina the
This
attire
attire.
yobungoma yobungaka yobugqirha in my language. So manje ingandilithwasana someone who's just gonna go into initiation or someone that just went into an initiation. Mangibuya nginikezwa ibondile a bottle of commando.
And le niphahla ngayo emakhaya.
Yo.
Yeah, bebekufikela.
So mangifika how while the dreams did not stop. So manje as nami ngizama ukuthwasa, I remember at some point ngithenge here.
Ulithengiswa ubani?
Ngithenge iboni ngiphuphile.
Oh, uyiphuphi.
Mina ngiphupha here le red. How ngathoko abantu bathokozisa. Hey ngathi this is interesting nami phela manje ngiyiphupha le ndaba le.
Wathengi here wathokozisa na.
Ngathengi here mina ngawuthwala la enhloko. Ngathi and then
wena bolithwala bongalifaki la esinqeni.
Ngathwaya kayi1. I even took a picture, gave video kalona, and then I wrote a caption that is related to the whole thing. Yobungomo, yabokuthi sibonga abaphansi and all those things. I did that, and then ngithwele. Still, the guy is not back a year later.
Ubusy wena.
Mina manje sengibusy
Ngokuthwasa manje.
Phela mina manje sengibusy mina manje ngiyothwasa. Sengifuna ukuthwasa manje.
Ophelelaphi?
Oh, I think 2021 after that I met someone else, you know. Ngabe sengizama ukukhohlwa ngalo. After all that initiation had done, ngahlangana nomunye umuntu. And then he was also in a political party, but I did not know he was a political person then because mina ngicabanga ukuthi ngumuntu nje. And it is he's one of them. Mina ngazi lutho.
The same political party.
Yo, as in that's mina ngicabanga ukuthi he's just a civilian, umuntu nje uyasebenza, not knowing that he's venturing into politics. So what made me worried is that the dream I had in 2021 later on after manje sengiqedile ngalo. And then this one, you know, manje, remember me and this one, we broke up 2020. And it's in 11 November. So manje say I met up this second one now. It's a year later, you know, and then not knowing that he's also a politician. That's when now
so bona manje iqiniso la.
Yes, because when he got there, the dream after some time ngimazile, what transpired to me iphupha lokuthi lo muntu lona she belongs to me. Yabona ke manje. So now it became an issue ukuthi why do I belong to him? And then in the mirror I saw him taking the underwear from that guy.
Imira le umbona kuyo.
No, in the dream.
In the dream. Okay.
In the dream. Baba. Lo munye lona.
Babanga le paint yakho.
Babanga le paint yami. Uyayithatha. Yebo. So you on top like ati give me. She belongs to me. Sorry. And then manje, when I look into if I remember the dream right now, this guy uthi kulo muntu mina ngibelonga kuye ne is sitting ngibelonga kuyo. The first thing what I saw in the mirror was me having pimples all over my face.
And zavuka
zaphuma. This is nothing what you're seeing right now. I am very beautiful now. If I could show you the pictures I had, my pictures of a year back before I resigned, I had big pimples on my face.
About bubbles.
I had bubbles on my face.
Ngalelo phupho walibona.
Ngalelo phupho ngalibona. So ilento ukuthi abantu when they say ukuthi buphilo is not spiritual, it's a lie. Mabathi what begins in the spirit, it comes to manifest on earth. Mina ngibonile. That's why today, even if mangikhuluma ngibona angidlali ngento zakamoya. angidlali ngento zamaphupha. Iphupha nangilibona manje is other I rebuke. Angisadlali because of ngibonile ukuthi when a familiar spirit enters you, it's war.
But manje uma usohambile wama kuphi nesalvation ke ngoba sowubonile konke.
No baba ngahlala lapha I stayed. I stayed, Baba. I stayed, and I would see things that these people are using my picture. Like I was always doing things for them, in dreams. I was always fighting for them. I was always praying for them. I was always the one about Kuselai in so many things. And as a result, I remember sending one of them a message saying to Bana, like I was even sending them one of them a message saying, City, I'm protecting you guys. Like I'll show you the message. Like that was years back.
Babuye kodwa.
Babu mukot. Manje sengibakhusela mina emaphupheni. Ngibanikeza amakawusi emaphupheni. Ngibageza from Uba umuntu, I remember this other one fell on the pit of a toilet. As Lamundu fell on the pit. Yeah, exactly. So which means ichitho zabo besiza lapha kimi. Ngamgeza
zasala nawe.
Yo. Zasala nami, ngasala mina. Ngi-sacrifice yezono zabo.
Waphelela phi nalabantu?
Baba Moloto, but they continued, one thing about a spiritual warfare, you need to be sure. Yazi into yakwamoya ijulile ibanzi and inid umuntu onelihlo lakwamoya azo understand angajahi. Ngahlala ama pimples ngiwabuka manje is getting worse. It was getting worse. Nama pimples, manje I've got things. Amaphupha nakhona kulalwa zizinto. Manje kunezinto ezifika live. Zizongincance igazi.
Zokuncance igazi iphingo.
On my body, I'll be sleeping and I'll hear into efika kumebusuku doing this, wanting to suck the blood out of me.
Uyazibona ukuthi na
I'm able to sense every attack.
Okay, I was born a sensation.
No, I'm able to see. Like yabona mayifigile. What is mayifigile mina in every attack. Mina mayifigile into I don't focus on the attack. Ngizofuna mina ukubona ukuthi kwenzekalani. And sometimes I'll see serpents.
Oh, inyoka iyavela.
Inyoka. If yabona mawuphupha, angithi most you are unconscious, the body is unconscious, we sleep. Angithi ulele. Mara uNkulunkulu for mina ebengisiza ukuthi ngibone ukuthi yini manje sesefikile. And then ngithi oh my gosh.
Manje mawusocinga ucinga ukuba ibuya phi le nyoka?
Bamamkota, to be honest, it was from them. Into abayenzile babonile ukuthi ngumntwana nesiphiwo. So manje base bahlangana ngami. Manje bahlangana ngami bafuna ukuthi ukuthatha amandla ami. I remember mangumntwana nesiphiwo ungumntwana pure. Yazi lena ukuthi upure like now. Yes, you are not perfect, Mara. Inhliziyo ukahle, igazi lakho likahle. So that's why befuna igazi elihle, so that to go and shine for them in the darkness. Uyabona after mina ngibonile ukuthi this is happening, ngaplana manje exit plan yami.
Ukuthi manje ngiphuma njani?
Ukuthi ngiphuma njani la ngingalimelanga because I told myself I'm not going to die here. I'm not going to die here because of evidently
I'm a politician, baphethe power, banemali.
I'm a politician, baphethe power, banemali, banento yonke. Mna, I'm just a girl, or innocent, not innocent as innocent, but angnanyoka, anginalento enabungozi mina. I'm just angithathanga into enabungozi mina. I'm just a person. So manje mangibona ingathi bonke bahlangene ngami. The dreams will indicate ukuthi ngabobani. So for me, I sing umuntu oyi-1. Now everyone wanted to come and tap
into this.
Into the grace. Masibiza ngithi grace.
The grace.
Yes, into the grace. So everyone wanted the grace. Manje it was a case of I'm tired. Bengihlala ngikhathele. Bengihlala ngilele engathi ngumuntu osebenzayo. In fact, bebengisebenzisa. So bebengisebenzisa because I did not want to be around people. Bengihlala ngikhathele, dreaming of myself underwater, meeting labo fellow Scotteni there and see.
Hayi makaloko. Udibana no Scotteni ngoku pha.
It was manje, it was deep into the initiation.
Okay.
Now we are deep into the initiation. Mina angithi I'm following ukuthi I took the teachings zobudlozi on Facebook. Ngathatha mina ngazi apply lapha kimi. Ngacabanga ukuthi this is correct. Manje ngiyathwasa. Angithi bathi mosima uphansi kwamanzi. Ubona inkosazana.
Uzifakile kahle wena.
Hayi bangifakile. Mina ngazi lutho. I'm just seeing myself underwater. Nenkosazana. Ngibona imali eshayinayo. Angithi mos mina ngifuna lapha ku Facebook, mawubona inkosazana, uthi nenhlanhla, kunenhlanhla ezayo kiwe. Ngithi
abesuthu abayazi inkosazana
ki Mamlambo.
Yes,
ki Memedi. So ngibona Memedi, ki phansi ke I'm underwater. Commenting li Memedi. And then as I'm underwater, li Memedi ikari baremos unali luck.
Unali shine and
star. Yes, unali star. So because Memedi itlisile the blessings ahawu. So if we rolile, if we phuphile wayibona kukhona okuhlokuzayo. Till this day.
Impawu la ilora wayibona.
Ngayilibona. Until this day. Akena next.
Impawu nobona abathu bobatsi
Kibonile, there are certain people which made me ukuthi manje initiation phela manyana. After the whole thing of the political dating saga, me being a politician, now I realize this. Nah. This isn't about them. Wabon. Manje lendo ifuna mina ngibele lose. So because of mangingena lapha yayizwa ne ngicala manje ukubona lamaphupho aso. Sengibona the beautiful Scotteni is there. Sengibona the Mawen is there. And now it was a case of bebefuna ukuthi mina maybe ngihambe ngothwasa ku Scotteni. Okumaweni. Uyebo.
Bakunike lento uyithathe lento nawe.
Banginike lento. Bathi ngithathe. And then I remember mangibona uScotteni, I was very shocked. Ngimbona ingathi nginenwele. Lezanwele zabo baba. Lezanwele zabo zi-red so. Ingathi la at the back of my at my spinal cord. Ingathi bayangibhala. Babhala 66666. Ingaba ngifake barcode. La. Ingathi uyangicaba ngebarcode. Ingathi uyangicaba something black.
La ku spine.
On my spine upwards so. Ingathi ngine barcode. Bengifake barcode. Right here at the back of me. And then here there was a mark on my left arm, which they did. And then mabenkata, the blood that was supposed to come out, ayepumanga, kupume something white.
Mawuvuka ekseni uthola ukuthi vele uchabi.
Angicatywanga ba langi ngiwile kuba bengijima.
Okay.
But into benzile is that angithi ngine barcode la. manje bakhangela igazi lami la bebefuna ukungithenga
ngiyakuthola
yayiva ne bebefuna ukuthenga igazi lami ukuthi mina ngibelonge into that kingdom.
Uma sengakubuza kancane unalo ulwazi lokuthi lamadayi weinwele bakhona ababelonga somewhere babacategorizile aba bantu abadayi inwele ngaphandle ngapha eningi labo
Abadayi inwele kanjani?
inwele kahle ngamadayi labovu awhite kanjani uyawazi lawo ma group abasebenza emkhathini
Angikutholi kahle. I'm a bit slow for this.
kusho ukuthi awazi kunabantu abanenwele abangafaki ama-weave nani inwele zabo original hair bayawadaya bazidaya but basebenza emkhathini
My God.
babonana ngeinwele ukuthi laba abadaya inwele eziso igroup yeso
I mina zange ngababona mina ngibone the beautiful girl was Kotendi, like she was initiating me. So and then she was initiating me.
okay
Yes, yabona. And then after that ngabona Maweni at some point Marayena angazi ukuthi ebekenzani, but I kept on seeing the two of them. Those two is what I saw underwater, and I've never seen other sangomas, yes. And then ngabona at some point umuntu ongumfana. Yes. Now I see a guy working with a hamana nabantu abawu-2 right as I was in that initiation. Whatever they've put on my back, and then in the man just sitting at red. Yes, my hair was yes. So manje mangi lapha ya kunomuntu ongumfana. Lo muntu ongumfana ulapha ya uhamba in ubanjiwe so in bondage.
Bambophile
inyawo nezandla uhamba with 2 beasts. But hamba thobela ithongo. Bambitsa thobela ithongo. So when I woke up in the morning, God said that was supposed to be your name.
Oh, uthobela ithongo.
Uthobela ithongo.
Waphunyuka kanjani?
Ngiphunyuke kanjalo. But not quite, because of, as much as ngihambile ngaresigna, angithi ngutshela ukuthi ngingaresigna, the exit plan iziningi izinto uNkulunkulu while I was underwater
wakubonisa zona.
Angibonise zona. Because mina into bayifake kimi the tracker. Angithi bangifake i-tracker esemkhathini. I-tracker bayifake kimi esemkhathini. What it did to me, mina abangithwebulanga, because they capture you before.
Monitorisha.
Yes, it's a monitoring system, right? It's a monitoring tracker. So the tracker bayifakile to come and monitor me. Kimi iveza imfihlo zaphansi kwamanzi.
Okay.
Yangizwa ne? Kimi ifike yaveza imfihlo zaphansi kwamanzi. Ngiphunyuke kanjalo ukuthi uNkulunkulu mina my blood ifike yayirejecta. When it rejected, kwavela konke okucebwa phansi kwamanzi ngomuntu. Uyangizwa ne? Because mina ngisaphilile, ngisekahle. Even now I still see, ukuthi kwenzakalani phansi kwamanzi, because the system bayifakayo, it's a capturing system. Bakuthwebula ngokomoya. Ukuthi you must be a sangoma. It's not God's will.
Iningi labantu batho abangada babathebutsi.
Yes, bakuthwebula ngokomoya.
Aholo bana bathwasitseng abongada baba.
Angithi manje bangithwebulile ngokomoya. Manje mangifika lapha ya bangithwebulile ngokomoya. Bazama ukuthatha isiphiwo sami esihle sikaNkulunkulu banginikeze isiphiwo sobumnyama bobuthakathi. That lozi is it's I'm sorry to say it, but ki Illuminati, it's not It's not a good a spirit, because I was saying to someone, ever since this specifically, what good thing came out of it?
Siyamosha, siyadestroy.
Exactly, siyadestroya. So manje idlozi elihle mabekhuluma bona kutheni sizodestroy abantu? Why idlozi elihle lizodestroy imitshato? Because a lot of people have lost their marriages because of umuntu ahambe ayokuchitha umuntu from the very same people. If lidlozi elihle lizokwakha, why emitshato emininzi ibhidlekile? Why abantu abaninzi bebehlanya?
Why bafa abantu?
Why abantu befa? Why sibone emalwandle ibhotile zabantu, like now that is going on the trends, ubona umuntu isifahlako samuntu in the bottom monies befuna umfaka isichitho. If lidlozi elihle and it's from God, why is killing us, especially bantu bamnyama? Why it has penetrated in our societies? Why it has made us to be inhuman than human? If kahle kahle into enhle iwe kuNkulunkulu, why is it that ichithile abantu abaningi? Like you practice it, anginankinga nalokho. One of the questions that I want to ask is this: if lidlozi elihle, why lisinse so much?
Lingenile nasecaweni.
Lingeni is a Leviathan spirit in English. It's a Leviathan spirit in English. If you go to Revelations, it is there. Idlozi lemali. It's all about money. It's all about money. They don't care about anything about anyone.
And wonke umuntu uyalifuna.
Wonke umuntu uyalifuna, because what they do is that they are part of the system. Ethwebula abantu, right? Because masawuthwejuliwe baba ne. uNkulunkulu showed me something. Thina bantu bala eSouth Africa won't speak to other nations. Sihamba namangelosi. You know that because you work with angels. Uyayazi.
No, siyayazi nabantu bayayazi
nabo
ngaphandle.
So mawuhamba ngeangels baba ne, when ungena lela dlozi libomvu, ingelosi yakho bayithatha bayisebenzise, wena uthathe that darkness. Now you no longer belong in the light. You belong in the dark. So even now, God showed me at some point, even into bayenzile manje is that angithi mose lidlozi nje eli Leviathan iphansi kwamanzi bayakhona ukwenza izinto bajike. Abantu abaphuzayo shem. God took me there. Bakuthwebula.
Labantu bathetshiliwe abaphuzayo la.
Abantu abaphuzayo ne. If you check now, everyone is complaining ukuthi why utshwala buso. You can get drunk. You won't remember how you got home.
Bathathiwe.
Before you go and drink, your body is already in the spirit. Now you are appeasing that spirit. That's why you won't remember how you got home. Back sebenzisa. While you are there having fun, ebumnandini, umoya wakho uyabasebenzela wenza okuhle egameni lakho. That's how they still inhlanhla zabantu, i-destiny zabantu, because they know ukuthi mawuphuza utshwala. I remember at some point bengibuye ekhaya ngoDecember. Ngiphupha ingathi kuze uNkulunkulu angibonise ingathi sise I don't remember this place ne. Mara every young person is there. Those ones mina engibaziyo, like from my village. I could recognize ukuthi man, that's my cousin. There is there. And I'm also here. That's in house. Now ngikhona lapha ya. And then mangikhona lapha ya. Mangibheka hawu. Unotshwala mosla. We're all having fun.
Nonke abantu abala.
Every young person of my village. Bonke abantu abancane base village yami, we were all there. We were all there in that space. We were having fun and abantu bephuza. And then I came to mind ukuthi ebana. So labantu bephuza njena. They are like baqala basebenze isithunzi sakho ngokomoya so that you can ufuna uyokuphuza every Friday.
Sekuyijob yakho.
Kusekuyijob yakho ukuthi bakusebenza isithunzi sakho ngokomoya ukuthi wena mazithi Friday sekunjalo. You know,
bonke labantu aba out of line bayabanikeza ijob zabo.
I wouldn't say it's a job that is out of line, baba remember ne mawufuna ukubulala ilizwe kunezinto oye uzenze elizweni ukuthi uba blinder. You know, ibhlungu because of uNkulunkulu simbekele kude. God is no longer near. Asamsebenzisi. So manje the enemy has penetrated kubantu abatsha balapha South Africa, even including me at some point. Angeke ngisikhiphe because uNkulunkulu nami took me there. Wangibonisa. Do you understand? So I cannot, you know, keep quiet and say ukuthi it's fine because there is an anti-clock that they use. You know, they even say the dream, when you dream about a watch, it means good, nah. Cut those dreams. These people are very manipulative. There is a manipulation of time. Yangizwane, kune manipulation of time.
Nawe, yona ikhona.
Yeah, when we imagine a 50-year-old, a 45-year-old, ihambe iye tavern until mata. And then when you hold in that bottle of Savannah, you feel young. It's
Jiva strong.
Baba, I was saying the very same thing. It's Baba. Why is that? You feel young. I told me, Baba, it's true. I feel very young.
That is why ubona abantu abadala they date abantu abancane bagijimela abantu abadala.
So manje ngithi hi man, mawuphethe le bottle, you feel very young because we are made to enjoy such things, and you know they make us feel alive, not knowing what it's a distraction. It's a spirit of backwardness. You're going backward because manje you're no longer progressing, or you know you feel very young. Your clock it's by misile ukuthi wena you must not have a wife. Because remember, this spirit is a spirit of Antichrist. Asimfuni phela uYesu Kristu. Asimfuni phela uNkulunkulu, and it's anti-marriage.
Asiyenze izinto esimele ukuthi
yes, sifuna ukuthi
ukuya ngokwenkolo.
Ngokwenkolo, sifuna ukuthi thina senze into efunwa yibo so that there will be no order.
And singazi ukuthi nasi belonga kuphi. Siyazibona nje siyaphila, asiyazi ukuthi where we belong.
Asazi ukuthi sibelonga kuphi, siyaphila, siyahamba, siyajiva, siyahleka, siyathini. And then the next thing when you see there is none left. You know, because of baba, is it normal ukuthi sonke la singabantu abancane asinandaba ukuthi kwenzekalana ezweni lethu?
No, it's not normal.
Is it normal ukuthi masihlele singabantu abancane asicabangi anything about our future?
Ubona ukuthi thina uma silwela leli lizwe silwe ngoba sicabanga sibona abazali bethu sithi abazali bethu ngeke bayimele lempilo kumele imelo yithi. We're thinking for the future.
Yes.
But manje sokumile manje. Abantu abasakhathaleli.
Yes, I always say that we are a very selfish generation because of Tina Slweli Muntu. It's all about us. And uNkulunkulu, I think there's so much wisdom is this generation but it's imfihlelo, you know, than any other generation. You know, uyazama ukukhuluma but asilaleli. Nina baba nilwile nesizile. Is it normal ukuthi siyaphuza siyabhema sonke?
Besilwela nina ukuthi nizoyenza yonke le rakalas.
And then manje mawuchecka ezikolweni there's rape. Is it normal?
Abantwana benza abantwana, it's normal.
Is it normal? What's going on? Mawungumuntu obhadlile la ekhanda right now as I'm saying this message ukuthi la ubukele ekhaya. Is it normal that abantwana manje esikoleni bayarejwa? What's going on? I mean, if that spirit can even go to schools, manje, sifika se-rape abantwana, like, you know, it's pouring out this negative energy. It wants to feed off innocent souls.
Na ingxaki la ikhona. Besiyazi ukuthi uma sithandaza emacaweni ethu manje amacawa capturewe ngusathane lokho.
Yes, another pastor.
Imithandazo ayisebenzi.
Omnye pastor baba baptized last year in 2022. A very well-known pastor in South Africa. He's based in Cape Town. I went to his baptism. All I can say is that the Maran Kingdom is dominant. Ithathile Maran Kingdom, because after mina ngibe baptized klababa. You know, you see, me getting into the political system and that environment, it's one chain. Politics, same churches, system. Yes. Politics and churches, they work hand in hand. They think no, politics, no, it's the same system. It is the very same system that operates underwater. It's politics, it's churches, it's idlozi, it's all these things that are antichrist, you know, combined in one system. Bayazana. You know, and when and besazana njena, it operates in arrows. Okay, manje, she's there. Manje, she's in Joburg. Joburg, she must dream of and that buluko. She must go.
Redirect.
Exactly. And then manje, she wants baptism, all right? And then they put things into your mind, into your heart. It controls you, don't control it. And then no, man, she must go for baptism. Cape Town. I dreamed about that man. God is my witness. That's Amaya. I got baptism. And the political guys were there. But she's going to Cape Town now. And then so-and-so must pay for her trip. And so-and-so paid for my trip because I was still there. So,
bakufaka kule nto abafuna ukuthi
ngahamba ngaya kuphi manje ngayobaptizwa. Mangibaptizwa lapha ya. It became worse. My spirituality was corrupted. Now I began to see things that I never saw before. I get almost Bible iti. The just shall live by faith and not by sight. Mina, at some point, because I'll be sitting now here and then I will just close my eyes. The third eye, that spirit, ikufa third eye. Yes, it's the third eye. That third eye, I'll be sitting here and then I'll see a snake there.
Just repeat that part. The third eye, the spirit.
Yes.
This spirit from the darkness.
Third eye spirit. Yes. It is a third eye spirit. It's in your spinal. Kulandini. That is like some sort of to do with the mystical Asian spirits side. That's the spirit that we've been told to worship. You know, the Bible says ukuthi ningabi nankulunkulu bambi ngaphandle kwami. So, and mina, one thing I've always ngibuza baba umloto ukuthi kanti kutheni mina manje nginamadlozi abalungu? Kutheni nginamadlozi ama-China? Tatemukoto, kutheni nginamadlozi ama-China? Atswa kai. Kutheni ngiphupha amandiya? Why must I dream of Indians? Because in Namosi mina, I'm a black person and I'm a descendant of a Khoisan. Those were the first people that arrived in our land. I will understand if Kilora, you know, a Khoisan person, why must I dream of Indians? What relations do I have with Indians? You know, the person that wrote Uguti is people that died in Toa was very clever. This system has been existing for generations whereby we are now adapting to the darkness of the spirit and then against us. You go into poverty. It's a spirit of poverty, in other words. Unka poverty and then they go and flourish using your gifts. Because uNkulunkulu wahawu ufile the gifts when you arrived on earth. And then bona prosperisha right before your eyes. Or why batuma prosperisha? No. You have allowed them to take what belongs to you. You have allowed them. That spirit it's not ours. I'm sorry. I know what I'm going to be criticized. There are going to be comments on earth saying that I get a little, I don't want to know anything. I know enough. You know, I get battle next. I know enough. I was there. I saw Kaipila. I was confused. And I made a point because Akebatli for 5 years. If Akebatla. Exactly.
And ho tswa ho batho re na batho bona ba nahana jwang ka ntle ka mona.
Yes, because if Akebatla and then if it was in Toyaruna, I think if it was from God, I think uNkulunkulu ngethe thatha mntwanami. For 5 years, ibatla. At some point, ire kwana ke batla blood ya hao. Because you have a red blood. So which means I must go into its own kingdom, fulfill its wish and promise, and then yona impatale in its own way. God, never. There is no blood yaka. I'm not for sale. Because in Toe, aina matla. Ina matla cause wena uinkile. Ibaraka ka matla hao. If wena usadumeli, aina matla. Mara wena if udumela, inka matla ya hao. Izenza wena, and then wena uzothini, you become nothing. I always say when I pray, come face to face. Since you are so powerful, why do you want my power? Why do you want my light if you are so powerful? Because for it to work, I must accept it. Itlo berekesa matla aka for it to work. If na agibadle ka matla aka ibereke. So where is the power in that?
And because o fitla o ifumana le ka hara mesebetsi o ya di company same spirit.
Exactly. It's everywhere. It's everywhere.
And ena le batho ba yona ke bona ba tshwere mo.
Yeah, ina le batho ba yona and ke bona ba tshwere mo, and the very sad thing is that it's coming for us. You know, it's very painful because, you know, as boni we are in blindness, you know, and since from 2020.
Ana bohloko ba rona re a underminana re a nyatsana.
Yeah, because now I'm and just because now I'm just here kengwanyana only the makeup with earrings and dresses, but Lord, what's the ing? Now Scotten is true. It's Onyan said Scotten. Concern with Scotten was correct. It's Idlo Zaliko. She will speak more when the time is right. Mom attack her because Scotten knows the truth. There is no lozy. The lozy is in your phone. You are busy worshiping spirits on your phone. This thing is in your phone. This spirit is poured into your phone. It's a chip. It's a tracker. And then banka on your left foot, if you're able to see, nakaibona, when they were putting it on my left foot, I get a go banke on the left foot. And then kabona bafata anto on the back of my phone, you know, and then by behamo right under my abdomen, so that so that it's able to have access of everything that belongs to me. Phoning on the phone. This phone is able to go underwater at night. And then I feel money. It's and then itlamo because I get it. It's the phone here. I get it. It's the tracker. Checker A to the phone. On the dream, it connects like this. Kunali something like an energy. They inserted on me under, right below my abdomen. And then when I sleep, if I can show you, if it was possible, when you take this phone, yagane, and then like I want them to see at home, Guti. It's what she said. It doesn't exist. She will one day speak about it in full, you know, this, and then you come here, you take this phone, and then you take the camera of this phone, you go right to this leg, and then my leg will move. Yeah,
I can see.
I can see that the camera is on now because of the tracker is here on my left leg.
And now your leg's starting to move.
Exactly. That's the tracker. They track me wherever I am. And then as they put here, remember, they can't sit on the right hand of God. My right hand belongs to God. So they're trying to move to the right arm of God, to kill the hope in me, to kill the light in me, to kill the destiny in me, so that banke, so that they become and Christ unbecome.
Hey, let wait.
Why it's on it, and then it moves on my phone, on my leg. As it moves, I think you saw it right, and then it comes to the mind. When you close your eyes, you've got these pictures. It's sangoma coming into your eyes. It's a screen playing unto you.
Yeah, it's in their system. They operate 247.
It's in their system, but operated 247. It's like they will even send you snakes, so that you become scared, like, to torment you, to torment your mind, that you must give up and you must join them on the other side. It is that system. And then I was like, I will never bow down. And I remember at some point I had a dream this year before Wena. That's when I realized ke SIM card abayi batlang, ke phone ya hao. And then what you eat at night. If you eat a biscuit, make sure you rebuke whatever you eat. Because it could be that they're inserting a tracker inside your womb. Anything that they can be able to access your phone, so that they can be able to send you the pictures, so that they can be able to confuse you. Like, I go to church, but why do I see amadlozi? No, God is working. It's in your phone. It's in your system. It's been plugged in your blood. So you would think that uNkulunkulu is not there, all right, or ubanjwe ngamadlozi. It's not the case. Ukuthi uyahamba uyolahla isilwane, ngilahlile isilwane 100,000 times, but ever since I stopped consulting, I've stopped having those dreams. I am 8 months from last year. I've stopped from May last year when I was resigning. I've never went to the Sangoma. I've been praying, and I never again had sexual dreams. I never again had amaphupha ukuthi mina ngilala nantoni manje. It's been different, and I see ukuthi bazama ukuthi they want me to go to consult again. Hence babatla, they hunt me everywhere I go, sending those pictures. They want me to go consult into the altar again, so that altar, I can come back with those things. They are looking for ways, to trap you.
Altar yena ya hao inele kae?
Altar
Yena ya bona.
Altar yabona, altar yabona is everywhere.
Okay.
Altar yabona is everywhere. When they have those ndombas, that's their altar. When they have whatever they have, is their altar. It is where those things are kept. It is where that spirit is kept. The very painful thing about the spirit is that when you take it to the community, it doesn't just stop there, it penetrates. It now becomes into the whole area. Yeah, it becomes a territorial spirit now. It becomes a territorial spirit because of it's now gaining dominant. So now you've got what you call a territorial spirit now. If you own, if you buy you bossy, to cause havoc into the community. It wants to cause unpeace. It has finished humanity amongst black people. We no longer have Ubuntu because of that spirit.
Yeah, because how do I sheba bona the gangsters di diatsoa ka hara makeishene ki spiritisi.
Exactly.
Ha se batla madi ho alwana ho bolawana.
Exactly.
Same spirit.
And then we're going to say that I think remember Arebowane at the Thomas Shole Ubutsukurina did I go for counseling? Now I can safely say God knew that this time would come. That you will have to rely on yourself, to rely on Him, because He that is in you is bigger than the one that is in the world. God taught me to rely on Him years back. uNkulunkulu knew ukuthi today people will make cases disappear using umuti, and then tomorrow go to the streets and say our government is useless, knowing very well to help.
a rometse thokolosi tsa hae
Exactly.
lo nka dogete man.
Exactly. Tomorrow, you're going to go to that street and say that the government is not working. When do we take accountability as black people? When do we take accountability and take a stand and say that we are the part of the problem? Because it's us. It's us who have allowed the spirits because, you know, abantu abaningi manje abadubuleki. You know, we've got people abangadubulekiyo. You know, we've got people abangadubulekiyo because of the very same spirits that gives them powers. So nicabanga ukuthi lilizwe linjani lelo? Like what law do you think, what laws do you think will come to pass in such an environment, in such a nation that has got so much spirits in them?
Our time is over now. Mo ilapeng re mametse re tla ya ka leboteng ka mono re tshwaele re bone ha re so qete re a tswella le mme Phelokazi. The next session e tla fitla hape mo re tswellang teng pele se re thotse hore na re batla dikarabo kae, re batla ho utlwa eng kae e jwang jwalo ka ha le nna ke mametse jwalo ka metu a ka hore ke mo fetsebe ke utlwa hore na o re tshwaretse eng. O ka reng mme Phelokazi ha o so kwala taba tsa hao?
Okay, this was a very short session, and nakekare go back to that. First of all, aribulele modimo ka wena, you know, you're one of the people abathusang, you know, batu, you know, bakona uthola sizo because lina eke go botse gore no ke a boa fela ke a bontsha fela, but at the end of the day agena hlaloganyo. You know, ke wena o na le hlaloganyo more than me because you've been dealing with those things. So Lina, I'm still looking for help, you know. Ke batlo understand what like what's going on. Like I you know, I don't want to see the things that I see, you know, as much as getting a track, everything of mine is being hacked, you know. They monitor me every day I go, but you know, just to warn the people out there, Bupilo, it's very difficult. We're in the last days. If Obatla, you don't have to experience something to know it. You know, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't true. It's just that God is, you know, wants you to be aware of what's going on. So I would just say, let us all go back to God. You know, rapela, you know, be vigilant, be safe, you know, even anyone. Don't trust anyone, you know. Young ladies, you know, work hard, protect yourselves, protect your integrity, you know, protect, you know, I know what is hard in our economy, but, you know, we are the most vulnerable, especially women in South Africa. Women of South Africa are the most vulnerable ones. And most of these things are happening into women. The rape is women. The men wanting power is through women. So now we need to, you know, to stand together as women. We need to pray. We need to understand that our only solution now is God. Apart from anything else, you can all do it. Thank you so much.
Ha re leboe Moi, re di utlwile ditaba ka mme o re tliseditse ditaba tse ngata tse ke nahanang hore ba bang ba rona re tshuile re qala le ho utlwa ditaba tse tjena. Nnete fela ke ditaba tse teng hobane ditaba di monate ha di bua ke batho ba tsamaileng maeto ano, hobane ditaba ka nako nngwe ha di tswa ho rona e ka re iqapela tse ding tsa ditaba, re di tlisetsa ditaba tsa lefatsheng le leng le le sa le tsebeng. Jwale ha ditaba di tla ka bana ba modimo re di utlwa ho tswa ho bona dintho tse etsahalang, ke dumela go le utlwile bongata ba ditaba, empa re tla ba le yena hape nako e tlang mme Phelokazi o tla nne a re etele. Ke a kgola le utlwile le ka mono hore leqephe la hae la YouTube hana le bitswang your YouTube page.
My YouTube page is called Youth with a Destiny Foundation.
Le utlwile he o tla nne a tswele pele ka leeto la hae le yena ho hlaphola bana ba Modimo, ho ba bontsha mane le mane tse ding tsa ditaba tse etsahalang. Empa ke leqepe le letjha, re ka leetela ho utlwa hore na o reng ha bua ka bio ya hae ka monono, le mothole hantle hore na hantle o eme kae. Empa re nke di-notes, re seke ra mamela fela, re mamelle ho lebala, re mamelle hore re ithute, re be le dipotso, re fumane ditlhakisetso. Ho etsahalang hwa molaetsa e ke o fumaneng ke hore prophet kapa ke moruti Phofedi o grantuwe beili ka mona ka Sebokeng ya 5,000 ka molato ola wa hae wa ho beta ngwana wa mokereki wa hae. Jwale re tla utlwa ha nyewe ya hae e ntse e tsamaya, hoba bonneteng fela re ka lakatsa rona hore ba seke ba fumana kopo tsa beili di seke tsa tswela batho bana ba dipeto leng. Empa molao ke molao, ha re ka hodimo ho molao. Molao ha o na le lebaka la hore o ka ba fa dibeili, fela hono ha o bolele hore molato o fedile. Ha re yeng ba ntseng ba tsheetsa, re tla utlwa hore na o tla kgutlela neng hape makgotleng a dinyewe, re lo utlwa hore na nyewe ya hae e tla mmeha kae. Ha re boneng hape nako e tlang, ke a leboha.
Thank you.